In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Document Cloud Sync on WPS Office app. If you are using the WPS Office app on your mobile device and you want to stop your files from syncing automatically to the cloud, this walkthrough will guide you through the process clearly and calmly. Turning off Document Cloud Sync can be useful if you prefer to manage your files locally, reduce background data usage, or avoid automatic backups on a specific device. To get started, make sure the WPS Office app is already open on your phone. Once you are on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your account and storage-related settings, where you can manage how WPS handles your files. After tapping your profile icon, look for the option labeled Space Used and tap it. This section shows information related to storage and how your files are being handled within the app. It also gives you access to more detailed controls for cloud-related features. Inside the Space Used page, move your attention to the top right corner once again and tap the gear icon. This gear icon opens the settings specifically connected to storage and synchronization options. When the settings screen appears, locate the option for Document Cloud Sync. This feature is responsible for automatically synchronizing files on your device to the cloud. To disable it, tap the toggle to turn it off. Once it is turned off, your files on this device will no longer be automatically synchronized to the cloud. It is important to understand what this means. With Document Cloud Sync turned off, any changes or new files saved on this device will stay local. They will not appear on your other devices through cloud access. Additionally, files stored only on the device may be at risk of being cleaned up by other applications if your device needs storage space. Because of this, only turn off automatic backup if you are fully decided and comfortable managing your files manually. Make sure you know where your important documents are saved and consider keeping copies elsewhere if needed. After turning off Document Cloud Sync, the setting is applied immediately. You can return to the previous screen and no further action is required. That is all you need to do. You have successfully turned off Document Cloud Sync on the WPS Office app, giving you more control over how your files are stored on your device. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.